Mohamed NRC Food Security and Livelihood Project Officer in Hagadera and Cambios. I'd like to acknowledge in receipt of 33 metric tons of dates from Al Khair Foundation. It's planned to be distributed to the refugee community in Cambios. And it's not the first time. This is the third or if not the fourth time that we are getting this kind of assistance from Al Khair, especially dates during the Ramadan to the refugee community in Cambios. On behalf of NRC, we are very grateful to get this opportunity to get involved in helping and alleviating suffering of the refugee community as one of our mandates. And we are very happy this collaboration, constant cooperation with the UNHCR and Al Khair for providing these dates timely and when it is most needed by the refugee community. Thank them a lot for the good move and I encourage them to do so when and always it's possible. Thank you.